Learn English to Gujarati must forms. Must in.
જોઈએ.
Welcome to must mode. Hey, you are about to learn one of the most useful ideas in Gujarati. Obligation. In other words, today your brain politely signs a contract saying it.
એ જરૂરી છે.
To remember these phrases, imagine a dramatic movie trailer voice. In a world full of snacks, naps, and excuses, one word remains stronger than laziness. That word is must. In Gujarati, a key word is
જોઈએ.
If your sofa says, stay here forever, Gujarati says, nice try, but homework.
જોઈએ.
Quote. Today you will learn these forms. Must is.
જોઈએ.
I must is.
મારે જ જોઈએ.
You must is.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
He must is.
તેને જ જોઈએ.
She must is.
તેણીએ જ જોઈએ.
It must is.
એ જરૂરી છે.
We must is.
આપણે જ જોઈએ.
You all must is.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
And they must is.
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
Yes, some forms are cousins. Language families love recycling. Your core word. Start with the superhero cape of the whole lesson. If you remember one word, make it this one. Must in Gujarati is
જોઈએ.
think, not optional, not maybe, not after one more episode. Example, we must be careful. In Gujarati.
આપણે સાવધાન રહેવું જોઈએ.
Example, you must study today. In Gujarati.
તારે આજે અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
If you hear
જોઈએ.
your brain should wave a tiny red flag and whisper, aha, duty is here. Meet the must family. Now let's line up the whole cast like a language family photo where nobody wanted matching sweaters, but everybody wore them anyway. Must equals.
જોઈએ.
I must equals.
મારે જ જોઈએ.
You must equals.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
He must equals.
તેને જ જોઈએ.
She must equals.
તેણીએ જ જોઈએ.
It must equals.
એ જરૂરી છે.
We must equals.
આપણે જ જોઈએ.
You all must equals.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
They must equals.
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
Notice something useful. Several forms keep the strong obligation part.
જોઈએ.
Or.
જ જોઈએ.
So once you know the must engine, you mostly swap the person. Tiny story of maximum drama. Let's put the words into a silly story. Your mission is simple. Listen and catch every must form. It is exam day. Ravi looks at his books and groans.
મારે જ જોઈએ.
Study, but my pillow has emotional needs. His sister points at him and says, no excuses.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
Work now. Their mother enters like a school principal in a family drama and declares,
તેને જ જોઈએ.
focus, and
તેણીએ જ જોઈએ.
stop laughing. Then the old printer makes a terrible noise, and everyone says, oh.
એ જરૂરી છે.
That this thing works. The whole family gathers around the machine like it is a sacred temple of homework and whispers,
આપણે જ જોઈએ.
save this project. The cousins arrive, still holding snacks, and grandma tells them,
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
help too. Finally, the neighbors hear the chaos and say, honestly,
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
buy a new printer. The printer survives. Barely. The snacks do not. Quick dialogues. Now you get short, natural lines you can repeat aloud. Go on, use your dramatic voice. A. Do I need to go now? B. Yes.
મારે જ જોઈએ.
A. Should you study today? B. Yes.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
A. Does he have a choice? B. No.
તેને જ જોઈએ.
A. Will she prepare tonight? B. Yes.
તેણીએ જ જોઈએ.
A. Is this optional? B. No.
એ જરૂરી છે.
A. Who should help? B.
આપણે જ જોઈએ.
A. Team, what now? B.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
Listen carefully. A. What about them? B.
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
Finish the job. Repeat after me. This is your speaking drill. Repeat each one after a short pause, and do not worry if your cat judges your pronunciation. Must.
જોઈએ.
I must.
મારે જ જોઈએ.
You must.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
He must.
તેને જ જોઈએ.
She must.
તેણીએ જ જોઈએ.
It must.
એ જરૂરી છે.
We must.
આપણે જ જોઈએ.
You all must.
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
They must.
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
Mini quiz. Time for a tiny test. No stress. If you miss one, just call it research. How do you say must?
જોઈએ.
How do you say I must?
મારે જ જોઈએ.
How do you say you must?
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
How do you say he must?
તેને જ જોઈએ.
How do you say she must?
તેણીએ જ જોઈએ.
How do you say it must?
એ જરૂરી છે.
How do you say we must?
આપણે જ જોઈએ.
How do you say you all must?
તમારે જ જોઈએ.
How do you say they must?
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. Seriously, nice work. Today you practiced must and its key forms in Gujarati.
જોઈએ. મારે જ જોઈએ. તમારે જ જોઈએ. તેને જ જોઈએ. તેણીએ જ જોઈએ. એ જરૂરી છે. આપણે જ જોઈએ.
And.
તેઓએ જ જોઈએ.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing aloud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them in your own sentences. Your Gujarati is growing, and yes, that means you absolutely.
જોઈએ.
Come back for the next chapter.